imagine to make a contract where people with a few clicks will understand what they are signing. I mean, imagine if you can attract people to actually read and understand and have no complaints about what they are doing online, and how you can reduce, claims and suits to companies. Imagine how will the world will be if you can do that. Well, that is actually what you can do with UX and UE. You can improve users' life by bringing them new ways, and new ways, and use all the features of an online interface to make it easier for them to understand. I think that when technology and design and law get together, we can do amazing things to actually make justice accessible. At the end, that is what we want. Make everybody understands the law. Hi, everyone. This is Melissa Saucedo. I am from Panama City. I'm a lawyer with a background in corporate and banking law, and I'm also a legal designer. I started with design thinking a few years ago when I started my first entrepreneurship. Then I began learning a little bit more about how can I apply design thinking in the legal world. So I'm glad I'm in the academy because it has helped me a lot, actually. And I have been, I started actually with digital documents, because I had some issues when when I did a purchase online, and I realized how important it was to understand what you're reading, to understand what you're accepting online. And now more than ever, taking into account all this trend about digital rights and the privacy of your information, I think that this is a very, very something very important thing that you should take into account. And now that all the business are done online, having terms of use, clear terms of use, and like having the rules of the game very clear, will help companies, and that is why I like it so much. Well, also I have some background in UX, with UX research and design, and today I'm going to show you a lot of things that I've learned that also will help, for sure, will help you thrive in this new path. It's going to be very, very special, because we're going to talk about not only the things that you should avoid when drafting or redesigning documents for websites, but also I will give you some tips about typography, text size, color psychology, hierarchy of the information, and I will give you a lot of examples and practical tools that you can use to start in this path, because I think this is a great momentum for legal designers to pursue digital documents. This is a great time. You have a clear idea of how to begin your own project. If you want to sell this to a client, or you want to redesign your own website, you will get a clear idea, and also you will get some tips about color, text size, typography, hierarchy of the information, what to do or what not to do. And also I'm going to give you some very nice tools, very easy tools to use, so you can actually begin right away.